Welcome to Emma's Natural Creations. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to see all my new videos. Hello beautiful people, I hope you are doing well. Today I choose to share with you the recipe of the famous sugar in wax, which is actually my favorite wax to remove all my unwanted hair. Actually, I choose to share with you this recipe because after sharing with you the recipe of the halawa wax or the Arabic wax, a lot of girls asked me to share with you my second recipe of the famous sugar in wax. So let's start with the recipe. To make this recipe, we will need only 4 ingredients. Actually, it's very simple. I will show you all the steps and you will absolutely love it. So, the first ingredient that we will need is water. We will need half cup of water. The second ingredient that we will use is sugar. 1 cup of sugar. The third ingredient that we will use is half lemon juice. And the last ingredient is salt. 1 teaspoon of salt. I will repeat again because I want you to do these ingredients. Don't add water or sugar. If you want to have a good result, you really should put these ingredients. Don't add water or put less than 1 cup of sugar or something like that. You need half cup of water and 1 cup of sugar. So we will take a pan and we will mix all the ingredients that we will have. Sugar, add the salt, squeeze your lemon, and add your water. That's it. Mix all the ingredients very well with a wood spoon. Try to not use a metallic spoon.
Feeling so hollow, don't you know, don't you know, I'm living in shadow, don't you know, don't you know, I fell for fool's gold, I fell for fool's gold.
You should wait until the color becomes yellow. It will take for about 7 minutes or less than 7 minutes.
And you a fool's gold. Yes, I did.
So here is your wax ready. The mixture becomes yellow, so I will turn off the fire. I just want to tell you that I didn't stop mixing the ingredients while cooking my wax.
And I did it all for love. Yes, I did it all for love. Oh, they say fools believe in it, so I guess I'm one of them.
So to apply my wax, I will need strips.
I fell for fools.
I will need this tool to apply it with. I will need a scissor and of course the wax that I have prepared with you.
ايش بيتقطع بلا شنو جد
بلونغ باش نخلي هادشي.
او ماي جاد او ماي جاد ايش بيتقطع اما البحر
وخلي يديك مرخوفه من
I feel it كامل I feel
Look.
What the fuck?